Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a really great skincare video that you guys are gonna absolutely love. But since this is a brand new month, it is October, there's only 3 months left in the year. How crazy is that? I wanted to come on here and just have a quick chat with you guys before we get into the skincare video. If you just want to skip straight to the skincare, just go on this timestamp right here and it'll take you there. But if you're new to my channel, stick around so you can get to know me a little bit better. My name's Eman. Around this time last year, I shared something with you guys that was very personal, and I can't believe that it's been almost a year since all of that stuff has happened. And at the beginning of every month from now on, I'm going to do a little talking video like this to you guys just to touch base. Life moves so fast, you guys, so fast, and it's so easy to get caught up at everything that we're doing. So just taking the time to just stop and thinking about where you are and what you have going on in your life really can sometimes help and make a difference. And this is what I wanted to take a second to do with you guys today. The year is almost over, so this is really the time to just stop and think, how do you want the year to end? This time last year, my year ended in a very hard place, but I'm here to tell you guys, and especially all of the people that have reached out to me throughout this entire year, telling me their stories, sharing their experiences that are similar. I am in such a better place, and I feel like a different person than I was then. I've never been so in tune with who I am and what I want from life and what I want from someone else. And I can genuinely say that I'm happier now than I've been in a very long time. And a huge part of that is because I'm happier within myself. I'm happier with who I am. Sometimes, you know, we can get really caught up with what other people think and care too much about other people's opinions. And at the end of the day, the only thing that matters is yourself and how you feel about yourself and how you love yourself, because it's only then that you can really share love with other people. I was in such a bad place at the beginning of this year and all the way through probably towards the middle of the year that I couldn't love anyone. I couldn't give anything to anyone else because I didn't have it in me. And it took a lot of work to get to this point now where I feel like I can give love back to the people around me and to you guys and to every experience that I'm doing. It's taken a lot to get here, for sure. I will definitely be sharing a lot more of that with you guys. I'm gonna be doing these touch base videos on a monthly basis. So the December one is gonna be very interesting because it's going to mark, or maybe the January one, I don't know. It's gonna mark 1 year. And that's a really big deal for me because I honestly didn't think I was gonna get to this point. And I know that a lot of the things that you guys ask me is, how are you doing so much better and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna tell you all the things that I did to get to this point because there's been a lot. But today, the main thing that I want to share is 2 of the biggest lessons I've learned this year are how important it is to be in tune with yourself, to know who you are, and to accept yourself, to love yourself, and to be your own best friend, and to do things that make you happy, and to find out what makes you happy in life, and to just fill your thoughts with all of those positive things, and to not give a shit what anybody else says or thinks. I was so consumed by what other people thought and other people's opinions that I put those in front of my thoughts and feelings, and that is definitely not the way to do anything. So putting yourself first and not caring about what anybody else thinks are 2 of the biggest lessons I've learned this year. I used a lot of tools, I've read so many books, I started to go to therapy, and I'm gonna share a lot more of that with you guys in later videos. but I just wanted to touch base on that and to remind you guys that there's only 3 months left in the year. So whatever goals you have or however you wanted the year to end, you have so much time to still make that happen. Make this year end on a great note, no matter where you are or what you're doing. I'd love to just hear some feedback from you guys. So please leave me any stories that you have for me in the comments below. I've been reading all the comments on my videos lately. I hope you guys have been loving all the videos that I've been putting out, because I'm trying to really make videos that are great and that you guys will love. Posting more frequently, which makes me so happy. And if you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome to this very safe, happy place filled with beauty, inside and out, lots of confidence. That is what I'm about. And my name's Eman, in case you missed it. All right, guys, let's get into this skincare video. This is a video that I really wanted to do because I've been doing a lot of traveling, and between traveling and stress and all of these different things, my skin has definitely not been the best. So I've been trying to figure out a lot of different things to make my skin better, and these 7 tips have really helped. So I know you guys will find this video helpful. So I hope you guys enjoy this 7 skincare tips to transform your skin. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm showing you guys 7 ways you can completely transform your skin. These are 7 tips that will make your skin look the best it can look. If you guys follow these steps every day, you guys will notice a huge difference in your skin right away. Let's get into tip number 1, a daily scrub. This one from Xoxo Skin is one of my favorites. Regular exfoliators are only meant to be used once or twice a week, but a daily scrub is gentle enough that it can be used every day. A scrub like this will get rid of any dead skin cells. It gets rid of excess surface oils that cause your pores to get clogged. I also love this exfoliating scrub from Fresh. It is their Vitamin Nectar Vitamin C Glow Powder. These are perfect for traveling because they come in little individual packets for one-time use, so I always just throw these in my travel kits. Tip number 2 is peel pads. So peel pads are my new favorite thing. Facial peel pads like this one from M61 are extreme exfoliating. So this is taking exfoliating to another level. This is not something that you would necessarily do every day because they have a lot of glycolic acid. So they can make your skin sensitive, but it is definitely something you can do 2 or 3 times a week depending on your skin sensitivity. This one from Dr. Dennis Gross is another favorite of mine. So if you use these peel pads on a regular basis, you will see such a transformation in your skin. Your skin will look brighter and fresher, and especially if you have acne, this will definitely help clear up your acne much faster. Tip number 3, sunscreen. Now I know you guys have heard me talk about sunscreen a million times, but this one is different. It is from Neutrogena. It is their clear face sunscreen. This is the only sunscreen that I found that does not make me break out. I found a lot of other ones were causing acne because they can be oily, but this one is oil-free, it's SPF 55, and it will not cause you to break out, which is so important for your face. It's my favorite one right now. It's the only sunscreen I use on my face. So if you guys are like me and you tend to break out from sunscreen, this is one you have to try. Tip number 4, vitamin C serum. Vitamin C serum is amazing for your skin. I love this one from Image Skincare. It's called Vital C. What vitamin C does, it helps produce collagen. This is what makes your skin look healthy. It makes your complexion look more toned and even, and overall it just boosts your skin's appearance. Another vitamin C serum that I love is this one from Kiehl's. It is their powerful strength line reducing concentrate. You can use this every day or every other day, but incorporating vitamin C in your skin routine is something I definitely recommend, and these 2 are 2 of my favorites. Tip number 5, mud masks. Mud masks are one of the best ways to clear your skin. I absolutely love this one from Ahava. I use this when I really feel like my skin is acting up. I'll use it once or twice a week until I feel my skin looks clearer. I usually put it on, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse it off. And then after, I notice a difference in my skin right away. Tip number 6, oil cleansers. I've talked about oil cleansers a lot lot. This is something I use every single day in my skincare routine, like this one from Shuumura. This is the best and most gentle way to take off all of your makeup. Your skin is going to feel so clean. It gets rid of every single trace of makeup. Makeup doesn't break you out. It's not washing your face is what breaks you out. So using an oil cleanser like this will make taking off all that makeup so much easier. But if you are super lazy, another alternative is my favorite makeup wipes, the Aveeno Ultra Calming Makeup Wipes. These are the only makeup wipes I'll use on my face. They're super gentle. They take everything off. These wipes are the best. And tip number 7 is using a sulfur acne treatment. This one from Kate Somerville, the Eradicate Acne Treatment, is my favorite. When you have really large pimples or large acne and you need spot treatment, this is definitely what I recommend. So this is not something you would use for every day. This is more for just specific larger acne. This acne treatment is going to really help reduce the redness, going to help dry out the pimple and get rid of it faster. Those are 7 skincare tips that will transform your skin no matter what your skin needs are. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them for me below and I will try my best to answer them. Don't forget to add me on Instagram at Eman. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you found it helpful. I love you guys and I will see you in another video very soon.